Hi everyone, this is lecture 1. We will talk today about data science and ICT fundamentals for engineers. Data science and ICT is a very complex and wide topic covering various fields. So in this lecture, I'll make clear why engineers need these skills and how you can gain or improve these skills. Data science combines multiple fields, including statistics, scientific methods, and data analysis to extract value from data. Nowadays, any simple decision should be based on information. The information is extracted from data after the data is processed using various existing methods. At this stage, the Australian job market needs a modern engineer who is able to process the data and to obtain the necessary information in order to make informed decisions. There is also the concept of data engineering jobs. It refers to engineers able to find the necessary tools to produce data for analysis. Data engineers have to clean and refine the data as well. Let's consider a basic example of a device that must be created to purify the air. The engineers create a functional prototype and they want to find out to what degree the device purifies the air. For this, the air quality is measured and data is recorded. The engineers analyze the data and decide if the purifier is good enough to start the mass production or it must be improved, in which case the data is recorded again and analyzed until the device becomes good enough. How is data analyzed? Because there are usually big quantities of data, the analyses are made using software applications. The most utilized software application and very easy to use for analysis and visualization is Microsoft Excel, which is part of Microsoft Office Pack. There are also very many other applications, some of them free, but most of them require programming skills. That's why Excel is seen as the most convenient. Plus, the majority of people use Microsoft Word as a word processing program, and Excel is part of the Office Pack anyway. Excel offers many tools for analyzing the data and for visualization. Information and communication technology capability is compulsory for engineers in order to access, create, and communicate information and ideas, solve problems, and work collaboratively. As an engineer nowadays, you need to use the computer and you need to understand the hardware requirements for various software applications that you might need to use in your work. A modern engineer should have basic knowledge about the computer hardware and software systems in order to organize, store, and communicate information electronically. Also, some basic programming skills would be beneficial for engineers, increasing for them the job opportunities, as nowadays more and more engineering jobs require process automation, but also other duties that can be done using some basic coding. Considering all these facts, I would like to encourage you to attend free online courses that can be found on various learning platforms, including Coursera, Udacity, Udemy, and so on. You just need to create a free account, then you'll be able to search for courses using appropriate filters such as free courses, English language, and the topic of the course. You can also choose other options such as the level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and so on. Don't forget to select free courses because there are also paid courses on these websites. Also, a very good option is LinkedIn Learning. You need to use the student email address to access the resources, or if you are not a student anymore, some universities allow you to apply for alumni access to the library resources, for example, La Trobe University. Your request is assessed by the university and you receive an email with details necessary to access the library. Then log into the online library and search for LinkedIn Learning or lynda.com. Lynda.com was transformed in LinkedIn Learning, so basically it is the same resource. Alternatively, you can access LinkedIn Learning for free for 1 month if you activate the free premium trial on LinkedIn. You will find thousands of free courses on various topics. After you complete a course and pass all the quizzes, you have the option to automatically put a course certificate on your LinkedIn profile. For example, to find courses that teach you the fundamentals of coding, just search for pseudocode and you'll be able to find courses that can help you understand and learn how computers think. This is the fundamental part of any programming language. If you want to search for programming languages, IEEE Computer Society recommends 7 programming languages for 2020 and beyond, and you can find them here. You don't need to learn them all. See what is the most relevant for the companies where you would like to work. Surprisingly, YouTube is another platform where you can find great free resources, but people are generally more skeptical to use YouTube because anyone can post content there, and most of the times it is not verified for technical accuracy. Nevertheless, YouTube does contain some really good resources, especially tutorials on how to use various tools. In the future, when you will have a good job in your field and a good income, and you'll not be able to access LinkedIn Learning as a student or graduate, an option is to get LinkedIn Premium, which means that you have to pay a monthly fee of at least $39.99, and you have access to free courses, but also to various other LinkedIn features. It depends on what type of premium you choose. You can find the paid options here. Thank you very much for your attention.